Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear Instagram cache. So, the first step, you click on the setting on your phone, this one, click on it, and swipe down until you can see apps management, this one. Click on it. And click on app list, this one, and in here you can search Instagram. Click on it and click storage usage, and in here you can see cache, this one. You can clear on the cache. Click on it and finish. So, how to clear Instagram cache on your phone. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys. Bye bye.